Hey guys, what's up? I just recently got a couple of trash cans for a couple of different reasons, but I thought I would show them to you and just do a quick comparison since they are both sort of narrow trash cans, and that way you can figure out what type of trash can is best for you. So I got this one to go between my bed and my nightstand, and this one for my bathrooms. I live in a really small space, so finding things that are narrow is really important for me. And this will just keep my space looking nice, help me to keep everything clean. So this one obviously has a lid, but this is a sensor over the lid. And this one also does this like airflow thing, and I think it helps to keep the trash can like smelling fresh and keep things from kind of getting out. You don't want smells to get out. And so it does that occasionally when it's opened and then when it closes. This is real wood on the outside, and then it comes with a plastic liner, which is really nice because you can take that out to empty it without having to remove the wood. But then it's also very easy to clean because of the plastic liner, but it just looks really sharp. I think obviously they have different functions because this is an open trash can, which isn't perfect for everyone, but they are about the same width. And so I think either one for a small space is going to work. They're both going to work for my small spaces. Let me just show you how the sensor trash can works. If you put your finger over it, that's obviously the sensor right there. And then it'll close here in a second by itself. But there's also, when you lift this, rather than having to put batteries, you can actually just recharge this with a USB-C charger. And then right here is the power button. So you can turn that on and off. Like if you needed the sensor to be off for whatever reason, or if you want that off while you're charging it, you can power that on and off. So yeah, really easy to, oh, and also this comes with 2 rolls of these trash bags, that's pretty sweet. Anyhow, that, you can kind of hear the air fan inside of there moving now. So that's kind of what that does. It's a pretty cool feature. Oh, another feature of this one is that it's got these little suction cups on the bottom. So that's really nice for keeping it in place, especially in a bathroom where you're more likely to have like tile, or I have like I forget what you call it, like fake wood floors. So that will stick really well for me. Anyway, hopefully this gives you an idea of what you're getting with both of these. Like I said, this one is real wood, so it's really beautiful. I think this is super nice. I have a space where I have like a lot of neutral colors, browns, grays, and this is going to go so well in my house. So I really love the look of this one. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for you. Have a great day.